Hello my flourishing friends, another video. Whoop, whoop. Today's video is gonna be another one of the create simple nice white cards, because I really like the idea that really every one of us has white paper at home and a few knickknacks, and then you can create something so beautiful and so artsy, and yeah, it's just the perfect inexpensive gift that also shows a lot of love. Today's video we're gonna use a bit of paint. I got my new acrylic paint here. Today it's candy red. How fitting. The entire day I was craving for candy canes actually. Enough of the ramble, let's dive in. Today's card is gonna have a simple quote but very important for Christmas. It's gonna say ho ho ho. And how we're gonna do that, we're gonna paint it with the acrylic paint on the card, make some little nice dots here and there, and then we're already done. This could be a crafting you can do like Christmas Eve, like when you forgot the nasty uncle or something. So yeah, I've done in like 5 minutes, and yeah, it looks good. First of all, I'm gonna write out ho ho ho, so I have it in a nice order and can correct it if I'm not. Ho ho ho, here we are. Oh, this was so lame. So I have here a normal little brush, also really Christmassy with the gold. I love it. And we're gonna dip that in the candy red and just draw after my pre-painted or pre-drawn ho ho ho's. And when you draw it, it doesn't need to be perfect. It can show that you painted it. There we are, ho ho ho. What's now left to do is make a few red dots here and there. They don't need to be the same size. And that's already it. Boom, ready. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. It was so fast today, but I really like it. And I would definitely love to gift it to somebody. Happy gifting, guys, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles, and hugs. Your Lisa.